Some of you have asked me on Twitter why when I tape these there's nobody behind me. Because it's really, really early. This is your morning jolt. I have a lot of things you need to know to get your market day started right. First up is the big story, obviously Tesla. Shares are ripping higher, like 10% pre-market trading, and that game might be extended throughout the session. Musk, CEO Elon Musk, he delivered on many fronts. I mean, he said the company is looking to still be profitable throughout the rest of the year as they ramp up the Model 3 and then make some other cars. What else did he say? No equity capital raise. He reiterated that. He did say they might be looking to raise debt in China to support the new Gigafactory. And most importantly, he apologized to Wall Street, the two analysts that he trashed in the first quarter earnings call. He extended an olive branch to them. Now, I saw RBC Capital Markets analyst Joe Spock. I received his note in the middle of the night. He remains non-committal on Tesla despite the apology. But all in all, Musk delivered for now. By all means, this company it's not a healthy company. It needs cash. It's going to need cash. And there are a lot of questions if it's even a viable company. But at least for today, the bulls are likely to trample the bears. I know, pretty prolific statement right there, but it is what it is. Next up, the bottom line. On the bottom line, Starbucks announced a partnership with Alibaba by the end of 2018. This was a Telegraph move earlier in the week. 2,000 Starbucks locations are going to have delivery available via Alibaba's LME business. The bottom line is this. CEO Kevin Johnson needs to get off of these TV appearances, and he needs to grind. He needs to grind like he has never grinded before in his life. Starbucks needs help. He needs to leave his director of communications at home. He needs to plant himself in a chair in Starbucks with a laptop, and he needs to study. The baked goods are not where they need to be in the stores. They need to start making real food. The kitchens aren't laid out correctly. I don't know if the workers are happy, but there are more initiatives being plowed on the top of the heads of these Starbucks workers. Something needs to be done there too as well to keep them incentivized. The bottom line. Johnson needs to keep his head down, stay focused, and try to reinvent Starbucks from the ground floor. But that won't happen unless he's laser focused, to use a very popular management term, buzzword term. Around the street, I'm talking to Clorox CEO Ben O'Dwyer. He is a fabulous CEO. I've followed his career since he took over CEO a couple years ago. Completely reinvented Clorox. So they report earnings. So I'll be talking to him later. It'll be interesting to see how he navigates Clorox through the challenges, the increasing challenges in the consumer packaged good industry. Dwyer is the man. He has made acquisitions. He has reinvented products. Phenomenal, humble CEO there. What else we got? We got TheStreet. Scott Gamm is talking to Sonos's CEO. They will IPO. Their IPO price Wednesday night below range, about $15. They were looking for, I think, 18 to 19. The company valued at about $1.5 billion. Now Sonos was valued around $3 billion a couple months ago. So interesting to see how this stock opens. I don't know if they did a great job of selling it to Wall Street beyond the fact that they're a consumer products company that's going to go head to head with the Apple HomePod. And that's really all I got for you. It's been a heck of an earnings week, and I got to get back to work. Be sure to sign up for the Morning Jolt newsletter down below, and that's all I got for you.